Everybody, today we're going to have some fun with Play-Doh with our Fun Factory. Oh, this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. There's different shapes that we're going to be making. You guys ready? Yay! Okay, so we're gonna use this Fun Factory. All the Play-Doh's gonna come out from here. So we're gonna use two different Play-Doh colors. So first we have a really bright orange. There we go. There's a lot of Play-Doh. I'm gonna put that Play-Doh right there. And then we're gonna use the color purple. There we go. And we're just gonna take about maybe half of the purple and put the other on the side. And then we're gonna open our Fun Factory right here. And we're gonna stick the Play-Doh right here. Okay. And then before we close it, we're gonna use one of these shapes. So the first shape, we're gonna make these 4 squares. So we'll just put this piece inside the Fun Factory, and here we go. Let's see. Should be fun. Okay. And, oh, there we go. And then we have our cutting tool. So we're gonna make sure we cut the piece. There's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So we have 4 pieces of purple Play-Doh. And then we're gonna change the shapes to 4 vertical lines. There we go. Yeah. I'm gonna take each piece off. Use our cutting tool. There we go. Perfect. And then we're gonna do some other shapes, some other fun shapes. We're gonna do a circle. I think we need to push the Play-Doh more inside. And here we go. Oh, wow. That's a lot of Play-Doh. Oh. Looks like licorice. Mmm, yummy. Let's see what other shapes we can make. Right. Looks like we're running out of Play-Doh, so let's put some more purple Play-Doh. Okay, and then we're going to close it. Oh, wow. It looks like hair. Just spaghetti. Purple spaghetti. Mmm. Then we're going to go to the next shape. We're going to close it. Ah. could be like spider legs. Yeah, let's see if we can make a spider. Spider's looking straight at you. Now that we're done using these shapes, let's go to different shapes. We're gonna actually gonna use a different color Play-Doh as well. We're gonna remove all the purple Play-Doh and put it all on the side. Remove all this purple Play-Doh from our Fun Factory, because we don't want to mix it with the other color. So we're gonna now use our orange Play-Doh. So here's our orange Play-Doh. Gonna put it here in the Fun Factory. Let's see what shapes we have here. Oh, that looks like a really fun shape. Let's see how this turns out. Oh, wow. It looks like a French fry. Yummy. Let's change our shape. There we go. There we go. Some bacon. Oh, this looks like a Pokemon ball. Oh, cool. And here's some macaroni. Everyone likes macaroni and cheese. Oh, wow. This looks like a leaf. I think we need more Play-Doh, though. Oh, that's a really cool shape. And then we have our last shape. That's a star. Can you see the star? Oh, it's a shooting star. Oh, look at that shooting star. Mm. Thank you for watching, kids.